Landscape lighting along fences. So typically you don't think about lighting up a landscape fence, and some you may not. If you have a chain link fence, probably not the type of fence you want to light up. So we're talking about more decorative type fencing, and we've done several different types of fence lighting in the past. If you've got a privacy fence where you really can't see through it, or maybe it's got a little bit of lattice on top of it, typically those types of fences we do downlighting from the post. So if it's a 6-foot high fence, you might go up 4 or 5 foot, put a downlight, mount it right to the fence board, and it just kind of creates the space in your outdoor living area. So it just adds more depth, makes the area seem a little bit larger. The other way, if you've got a more dramatic fence, would be to do well lights in front of the fence where you're uplighting the fence, and it's going to cast a nice light over the whole face of the fence. And if you have decorative woodworking on top of it, or it's any type of sculptured ironwork, and there's a lot of different unique fences and decorations they do with fencing these days. So if you have that type of situation, uplighting it with well lights will highlight all that and make the fence look really nice, and also do the same thing we were talking about previously by defining the property space and making the area seem larger instead of just having darkness at the edge of your property. So if you have a fence you'd like lit up or need some ideas with it, please give us a call. We'd love to help you.